Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new, thank you for stopping and watching this video. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. But if you have not liked, shared, or subscribed, please do that below. Thank you very much. So this is Teachmas Part 2, Day 2. My husband and I are getting ready to decorate this room. This is our living family room area. And here he is vacuuming that rug. I am dusting that mirror and the mantelpiece. We're going to put some garland across that mantelpiece. And that tree is going, the Christmas tree is going in that corner there that you see. So we're just decorating this part of the house for right now. I'm going to also put a wreath out on the front door. In a minute, you're going to see me call him over because I just noticed that the lantern has a crack in it. So, yeah, so I'm investigating. And of course, you know he doesn't know anything about it. But anyway, it's okay. We'll just get some others, but I don't think you're able to see it very well. But you can tell as you're cleaning the glass part, you can tell that it has a little crack in it, but it will be okay. And as you can tell here, you know I have the best help in the world. So in a minute, you're going to see me start to clean that couch off. I noticed a few little crumbs in the little crevice. So as my husband does that end table, I'm going to wash that throw and put it back. So I'm putting things back on the mantelpiece. I have an angel there and some candles. Those things will definitely come down when we start to decorate because that angel goes on top of the tree, and we're going to put some garland on that mantelpiece. So as you can see, we're going to put those pictures back on that end table. Then I decide we may as well go ahead and take them down because normally I put a nativity scene on that end table. Sometimes I put it on that bottom of that mantelpiece where those bricks are, where my flowers are. And by the way, those are the flowers that came out of my classroom. I brought them home for Thanksgiving and hadn't taken them back yet, but I'll take them back. I will take them back in January. But anyway, I am noticing those little crumbs there, so I'm asking my husband to vacuum. And as you know, he's my vacuumer. He vacuums and all the carpet. We don't have a lot of carpet in the house, but that rug, and there's carpet in the bedrooms. And of course, you saw him this summer vacuuming and shampooing my carpet in the classroom. I hadn't really done a lot of vacuuming in years. I stopped when I was pregnant. The doctor said stopped, and I did, and that's been a long time ago. But anyway, you see him getting the little crumbs out of between the little crevice. And here I am taking over what he was doing. But then you'll see that I changed my mind about putting those things up, and I take them down. Since we're going to put the tree up tomorrow, or start to put the tree up, it takes a few days. So of course you notice he didn't get it all. All right, so here I'm taking those things back down. And he's finishing the couch. So there's not a lot to do, just like I said earlier. But we're just tag teaming. Doesn't take as long if you have two people doing it. So now we're in the entryway. And he's going to shampoo the, not shampoo, he's going to vacuum that floor and that piece of carpet area while I dust this table that's in the entryway. We're going to also dust those pictures on the wall and the door, wipe the door down as well. So I hope you got a chance to watch my intro to Teachmas on yesterday. It was kind of late going up since Alabama was playing Georgia for the SEC championship, but after the game ended, I rushed to get it up. So it is up. So if you've not checked it out, please check it out. Here in that vase, there are some little balls with some light. My husband's like it, but I'm going to wash it. And last year we put ornaments in it with some lights. So I'm just making sure it's clean, and we will put ornaments in it along with the lights. So I hope you enjoyed our little clean with us as we prepare to decorate. So stay tuned for that video on tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you have not liked, shared, or subscribed to my channel, please do so below. And I will see you tomorrow. Infinity hugs and kisses. Tomorrow we will have, which will be Monday, because this is going up on Sunday, we will have, should be a little bit of the decoration going up. So you should see the tree and the mantelpiece being decorated. All right, so that's all for now. Infinity hugs and kisses. Please click below to check out my other YouTuber, Teacher Tubers videos. They're doing Teachmas too.